Hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. Here I want to show you step by step how to buy the cryptocurrency Ethereum. This we're gonna do on the crypto exchange Binance. Binance is the biggest crypto exchange in the world and also has the lowest trading fees of only 0.1%. And if you use the link in the video description for registration, you save another 20% on trading fees so that you actually pay 0.08% on fees. At first you have to do registration, therefore I put a link in the video description. If you click it, you come to the right registration page and the 20% trading fee discount is also automatically activated. After you created your account, you just log in at Binance and go to the dashboard, and from the dashboard you just click here in the menu on identification. The identification is necessary to be able to deposit fiat money. Therefore, you just do it by clicking here on this verify button. If you want to increase your limits, you can also do address verification. After identity verification is done, you are able to deposit some fiat money. Therefore, you just click here on buy crypto and then on bank deposit. Here you just choose your currency and your payment method. You can use bank transfer and credit card, but you can also click here on crypto and deposit, for example, Bitcoin. After you just type in this field how much money you want to invest or transfer, and if this is fine, you just click here on continue. Now you get the bank details which you need for the bank transfer, so just use them to do the wire transfer. After 1 to 3 business days the money should arrive. When the money has arrived, you just go to wallet and on fiat and spot. Here you get an overview of all your assets, all your fiat money and all your cryptocurrencies. And if the money has arrived, in my case 0, you can start buying Ethereum by first buying Bitcoin, and with Bitcoin we can buy Ethereum. Therefore you just search for Bitcoin, then click on trade and choose your local currency. In my case it would be Bitcoin Euro. After you come to the trading view where you can easily buy Bitcoin. Therefore you just scroll down and click here on market order, and here you just define how much money you want to invest in Bitcoin. But you can also use this adjustable bar to define how much of your available balance you want to use to buy Bitcoin. After you go back to the spot wallet, and now we can use Bitcoin to buy Ethereum. Therefore we just search for it and click here on trade. Here you can now choose the trading per Ethereum Bitcoin, and now we can buy Ethereum with Bitcoin. Therefore you just scroll down, and here you can also define how much Bitcoin you want to invest in Ethereum, but you can also use this adjustable bar again to define how much of your available Bitcoin you want to use to buy Ethereum. If this is fine, you just click here on buy Ethereum. And if you want to sell your Ethereum, you can use this field and define how much Ethereum you want to sell, and then you click on sell Ethereum. Yeah, that's it for the tutorial. I hope you enjoyed it. Give it a like and subscribe, and have a nice day. Bye bye.